Now I need a rag because I'm a slob.
Oh, way to kick off the video, Don. This is coming together. Last we saw this was all broken out concrete, bunch of Fernco couplers. Kind of left him with a project because the ones we put in the stack I failed to notice or mention. That little bit of rubber was just bigger than the plane of this wall, so he bent the, I think it then furred out, yeah, but then we ended up with, and this is the, not to kick Don in the teeth here, but this is what you want to watch out for, something that's going to showcase that. We're going to come in tight in the middle and then have gaps on the sides, but we're going to caulk it. Nobody's going to notice.
That's okay, because I can blame that on somebody else.
That's right. So the rest of it is all drywall, and this is our Japanese stick method to holding things that need to be held for drying. Just kind of found some light duty stuff that can be bent a little. It's a little too long, but to bend it goes in place and then you get tension where you want it. Living room, French doors. And now this was the garage out there. That's an exterior door. And the baseboard heat came through here, so this had to be rerouted up and around. And then he ended up with a little short piece here. Looks good, looks natural. Added a window, closet through this end. We were gonna have his and hers or whatever swapped where this side faced us and that one actually faced out into the garage, but it ended up being clear. Where's the light? Clear through to the other, break on through to the other side. There you go. So all secondhand doors, most of this stuff she got, you know, it's basically pre-finished because it came out of somewhere else, but it worked out nicely. And needs a little trim here, but those golden oak were here, so these other golden oak slabs with all this will be paint. This is paint grade, so that'll get white, but it'll look homogeneous and really nice. Really nice. Kitchen, stove, fridge, pantry, and then this was just, there were a pair of closets here. This was the closet door that's now the front door to Grandma's in-law suite, and the other one here that was here is gone, and this has been remodeled, so it's just a closet there. Oh, turn the basement door around because it used to open the other way, but this is nice, swings toward you now. And you know, we looked at our plumbing down here last time, looking good, insulated and over there. And once again, the ability to connect up any other sort of hot water sources in the future for emergencies or isolation rerouting. Don't need to leave the light on, I guess. And this was the old entryway, and now, you know, it used to be like a split level you saw over in there, but it's all finished, and this is a door to the rest of the house here. So this is a nice way to dice this up and make life easy for Grandma to... Oh, you did a little... I didn't notice your little accent around the entryway. Cool. Let's fill that in. And the garage is still here with maybe... Well, lawn tractor and stuff can come in this door. And then this is where we took over for the bathroom. Don did that. And then this is a... no, not quite a full bay again. So you're going to have a short bay here. So this is, in my opinion, something to really strongly consider because it wasn't painless to take over this for a bathroom, or excuse me, a bedroom closet. Because now, though it looks like two garages here, we haven't got enough to pull a vehicle in really. And then we got to go outside there and then over to this bay here. And as relatively small as the project is, you can see all of the stuff that was purchased and queued up to be installed was in here first, and now all of the trim that came along with all the doors is in here. It just takes up lots of space, and he's been here, well, 6 months, 5 or 6 months. I'm going to be another couple weeks here probably until it's called quits, but...
No, started Christmas vacation.
Oh, it did. So when we're at middle of April, so 4 months. Yeah, total 5-month project probably, basically. Something this scale from start to finish to do yourself. And I mean, Don works full time, so if you're doing this yourself, coming home and working after work and on the weekends, but it's doable. Never before installed mauve jacuzzi tub and matching plastic sawdust board vanity top.
Circa 1994 tub.
Yeah, to go with the golden oak. It's perfect. And the pool's already open in Western New York in the middle of April. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you.